Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, we've got you covered with the 6 best HIIT exercises tailored for all skill levels. First, let's talk about the essence of HIIT. This training method alternates short bursts of intense activity with brief recovery periods. It aims to elevate your heart rate, pushing your body to its limits, while enhancing endurance, strength, and cardiovascular fitness. But that's not all. HIIT also boosts metabolism and can effectively lower blood pressure. Beyond physical benefits, numerous studies link HIIT with improved mood and reduced stress, making it a fantastic option for overall well-being. Plus, it's time efficient, allowing you to customize workouts that suit your individual fitness goals. For those just starting out, you might want to ease into your routine with beginner-friendly HIIT exercises. A solid strategy is to begin with 2 to 3 weekly sessions, each lasting 20 to 30 minutes. Over time, as you get comfortable, you can gradually increase both the duration and intensity of your workouts. You can either time your exercises for a certain duration, say 30 seconds of high intensity followed by a minute of recovery, or opt for completing a specific number of repetitions. Let's look at a couple of beginner exercises you can start with. Bodyweight squats are a fantastic way to engage your muscles without needing any equipment. You also can try sprints. These can transform into hill or stair sprint sessions for those seeking an added challenge. Once you've built a solid foundation, it's time to elevate your routine with some intermediate exercises. Aim for 2 to 4 sessions a week, each lasting 25 to 45 minutes. Consider adding mountain climbers into your routine. This exercise not only boosts your heart rate, but also incorporates core strengthening. Kettlebell swings are another excellent choice, effectively combining strength and cardio into one fluid motion. Now, what if you're ready to push your limits even further? Here are 2 of the most demanding advanced HIIT exercises you can include in your regimen, both ideal after mastering earlier forms. Clapping push-ups will not only test your upper body strength and stability, but also add a dynamic element to your workout. On the other hand, burpee box jumps provide a full body workout that's sure to get that heart pumping. These advanced sessions typically last 45 to 60 minutes, and you can aim for 4 to 5 sessions per week. Now let's quickly tackle some frequently asked questions about HIIT. A common query is, what type of HIIT is most effective? The answer truly depends on your preferences and fitness aspirations. For those prioritizing cardio, exercises like cycling and running are excellent choices. If building strength is your goal, bodyweight exercises such as squats and lunges are essential. Another FAQ you might have is 20 minutes of HIIT per day enough? While it varies by individual, with HIIT's effectiveness, even a short 20-minute session can yield impressive results, especially if you're pushing your limits. If you're excited to take on these HIIT challenges, ensure you listen to your body, prioritize form, and most importantly, have fun while working out. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into advanced techniques and tips for maximizing your HIIT workouts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up with all our fitness content. Now, let's explore one of the most popular formats of HIIT, the 30-20-10 workout. This format alternates periods of intensity, 30 seconds of low intensity, followed by 20 seconds of moderate intensity, and then 10 seconds of high intensity. You can repeat this pattern throughout your session, seamlessly integrating a mix of bodyweight exercises and cardiovascular activities to tailor the workout to your fitness level and preferences. With multiple types of HIIT available, finding the right one for you can maximize your effectiveness. Each format brings its unique twist to the table, making it an exciting way to stay engaged with your routine. Experimenting with different styles can help you discover what resonates best with your body and training goals. So, what's the bottom line? HIIT is undeniably an efficient workout style. It can help you improve weight management, heart health, and overall fitness. Additionally, it enhances coordination, strength, and stamina, all crucial aspects of a balanced workout routine. Consistency is key as you incorporate HIIT into your weekly exercises. As you progress, don't hesitate to challenge yourself with more demanding workouts. However, remember to prioritize safety. Modifications are essential, especially if you're just starting out. Pushing your limits is encouraged, but not at the expense of exhaustion, burnout, or excessive soreness. As we wrap up today's discussion, keep in mind that high-intensity interval training offers an incredible pathway to fitness, but balance is essential. As with anything, a moderate approach is best. Get ready to explore other intriguing forms of exercise too. Consider trying bar workouts, somatic Pilates, or even the latest Stairmaster challenges making waves on social media. There's a world of fitness waiting for you, so dive in and enjoy the journey to health. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and follow Jeremy Bradford 32 on Instagram for more content.